I'm with Ruben at Lincoln Auto Electric in Long Beach, and what do we have here? This is a 54 Chevy, right?
54 Chevy, a step side.
Step side?
A step side.
You did a lot of work on this, right, Ruben?
Front and rear suspension.
Front and rear suspension?
They got the 4-link. We switched them stock differential with a 4-link suspension.
4-link suspension,
Yeah,
okay.
we have to match the chassis. We have to do the rear end and everything else.
Wow.
We also put the disc brakes in the back.
Okay.
And we have the front end is also we eliminated the 54 suspension, which is very simple, you know, with the leaf springs. We made it with the struts and rack and pinion. So we had to practically make up from scratch.
From scratch, eh?
You have to cut it, the suspension out, and you have to set the front and back.
Wow.
Transmission is a 400 transmission, the turbo 400, and engine is a 350. So 350 or 400 engine, that's really cool.
Perfect. So yeah, if you have a Chevy, if you need any modifications or anything of that nature, come on down to Lincoln Auto Electric. Oh, it's beautiful. And Ruben and his crew will take care of you. So listen to that. That's a beauty, man.
The start is beautiful. The engine runs nice. This came back from some service and the wiper motor is not functioning.
Okay.
So we're going to take care.
Nice. I love the colors as well.
Nice.
Thanks, Ruben. I appreciate it. Come on down here to 793 Redondo Avenue.
Thank you.